Mark Davis, 3-decade qualified substance abuse professional. I help companies in the safety sensitive world with DOT and otherwise. Everybody wants a drug-free workplace. I've been involved in this since the late 80s, early 90s. I would be glad to help you, your staff, your supervisors, your employees, to have the best workplace care so we can help identify those who may be needing it, preventing those from getting into those difficult waters, and assisting those that have definitely indicated there's a problem. Helping your most valuable resource. We help you with your most valuable resource. Reach out now. Davis Sound Mind. I'm looking to see you soon. I'm looking to see your employees soon. We're all looking to see them happy, healthy, and productive.